Are you a mobile repairman looking to keep your repair shop organized, stay on top of everything, and boost your income? Then Finty is your solution. With Finty, you can efficiently print detailed repair tickets and include their QR codes, device problems and accessories, and your repair shop terms and conditions. You can also update clients via text message. Moreover, effortlessly generate sales and service invoices that can include automatic tax calculations if necessary, your shop terms and conditions, and QR code of the invoice. Send your clients their invoice links online or print them out. Manage different kinds of invoices and accurately track and manage stock. Additionally, access precise graphic reports, streamline repair shop organization, boost productivity and increase your income, automate complex calculations, and enjoy the flexibility of managing your operations from anywhere, anytime. Sign up now, enjoy a 30-day free trial, and start managing.